Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glovebox, we're going to work on the Montgomery Ward's tractor for a little bit, and what we're going to do is a headlight update. And what I got was some LED bulbs. The reason why I did that is because this had the old incandescent bulb in it, and one of them has already failed. It was a used bulb when I installed it, but due to the vibration and I think the voltage going up and down like it does with these old generators, I'm going to try these LEDs. Well, this is the light that went out, and I'm going to go ahead and leave these lights on here. These are not actually garden tractor lights. They're actually come off of a truck around the 60s and the 70s, but so anyway, that's the style bulb that was in there. And all right, well that's in there real good, and it's got the LED pointing pretty much forward. This old gasket's kind of in bad shape, but I don't have anything to replace it with. I may look and see if I have an O-ring or something, but I may just put it back together right now and we'll see how it does. I'm thinking these lights, they must be pretty bright because it says for off-road use only, and I can't really imagine why it would say that unless for some reason they were just very bright. But I'm not sure. That one fits kind of loose. I may have to do a little engineering on that one to get it to fit snug. Well, this is what I did. I put just a little dab of solder on the bottom of that to make it kind of take up a little more space in that socket. And we'll see. Yeah, that's tighter. Yeah, that's good and tight. That fits good. Well, all right, we've got both those bulbs in there, and let's just see how much brighter they are. Well, I tell you what, I think the lights are a lot brighter. They're definitely a whiter, more intense light. But anyway, the part number for this little LED light is a 6000K, and I think it's going to do okay. One thing that I did have to do, because my socket was a little wore out, is I had to kind of add just a little dab of solder on the end of that to make it fit a little more snug. But anyway, we're going to see how long these last. So anyway, guys, I appreciate y'all coming by the shop. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.